Hey everyone, welcome back. Did Meowdoku stop working right after you updated your iPhone? Here's the quick fix. First, restart your iPhone completely. Hold the side button and the volume down at the same time. Slide to power off. Wait for 30 seconds and then turn it back on. A fresh restart clears most conflicts on a new iOS version, creates with apps right after updating. After restarting, open the App Store and tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Scroll down and look for Meowdoku in the list of available updates, since smaller developers like Oak Ever Games technically pushed a compatibility patch within few days of major iOS release. Tap update immediately if you see one. If there is no update available yet and the app is still broken, go to your settings app, then go to iPhone storage, scroll down to find Meowdoku in the app list, tap on it and then tap Offload app. Then reinstall it fresh from the App Store, which guarantees you a version built for your current iOS, and that's it. Subscribe.